Hello everyone. Now let's see getting another sheet. You have to get the cuts in the sheets like this. Now get them arranged into this form. Get them beautifully carved into this manner. Now you have to get the splits in the sheets like this. Now you have to fold them in this manner. Further you have to get a stick in this way. Now what do you have to do? You have to get the leafy part. Now get them all over it, and now you have to just get them circularly made in this form. You have to arrange it in this pattern. This is gonna look so beautiful and amazing, and you can make either one. This is gonna look so pretty. Further, here what are we up to? Here you have to get the sheet, get the beautiful designs made out of it. You have to just press them and club them together. Now get the circular sheet. You have to get the eyes and made, and this is get so cute and adorable, isn't it? Now get this rough textured sheets in this manner. You have to get the cuts in the sheets like this and the splits in the sheets in this manner. Now you have to cut them. You will end up getting a beautiful flower like this. Further, you have to just get the shapes in this manner and get them beautifully secured it through a stick like this. And your beautiful bush like flower is absolutely ready to go. Isn't it amazing? You can paste the leaves and all to make it look even more beautiful. Further, here you have to get the bubble wrap sheets. What you have to do, you have to just tie them up and getting the rolls made into this, and then get another sheet. You have to roll them together and get them pasted all over it. Get the candies pasted, and this is get so yummy and beautiful.